Alright, good morning everyone. So it's another day here in Algarve. We're going to be doing something very different today. We're going to be getting some jet ski lessons from somebody that watches the channel. So it's going to be really cool. We've never done jet skiing before. So we've just come to the river Aradi here. This is where we're going to be practicing. Are you ready for some jet skiing, Carol?
Yeah, I think it's going to be fun.
You think so? Yeah, me too. And this is Willem. Gonna be our instructor, right?
Yeah, I need letters over here.
I think I saw on your Instagram you're a Dutch champion.
Original? Yeah, in '88. I was a Dutch shit.
88? That's when I was born. Yeah.
A long time ago.
Yeah, so here's the jet skis here. Kawasaki. 2 of them. This guy wants to go jet skiing also.
Straight. Hey, you want to come with us?
Yeah, he does.
You see the name on the side?
Yeah.
My name is Schaap. Schaap is the Dutch name, family name. It's like sheep. Sheep.
That's your name?
Yeah, that's my name, Schaap, with double A.
Oh.
But because it's Kawasaki or Kawasaki, my friends call me always this one. So I put it on this one. Nobody sees it because it's it's not that obvious.
That's your nickname?
Yeah, my nickname.
How do you say that then?
Kawasaki.
Almost the same.
Yeah. The water, he sucks the water in up here.
Up here?
Yeah, up here, and because you're driving, it goes in here, and there's a cylinder with a screw, and it's create a vacuum. So he sucks the water in and throws it out in the back.
Oh, out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you see in the back? Okay, if you lay down in the water, you have the steering. You pull yourself up. Put your knees. You need to put your knees up. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to do, but if you have thrust, you can put yourself up like this.
Okay.
But you have to hold the gas, so he pull you up like a.
Oh, so you have to accelerate?
Yeah, but you have to hold it in a certain tempo. And you climb all the way in the front, with your knees to the front in the beginning. Eh? You sit down on your legs or like this on your feet, and leave this on the hood. Because if you hold it up, it's harder. You have more things because it goes like this and like this. If you put it down, you only have to go like this.
Okay.
You only have to steer like this.
Yeah.
And in the end, you steer with your weight like a bicycle or motor. You hang over with your weight. And then you don't steer it.
So you only lift this up when you stand up?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, here it goes. So should I try and go already?
Yeah, sure.
And then I
Start both ends of the steering. Yeah.
Okay. off again.
Okay. Start it. Put it here.
Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but on your knees it's really easy, but when I stand up, the corners are really hard. It's tough.
How was it?
What?
How was it?
It's good, tiring.
Yeah?
My body's aching. I didn't realise it aches so much. You gotta do a lot of force.
You're really gonna let me?
No, at first it felt like I wouldn't be able to do it standing up.
Uh-huh.
And then I just got the hang of the balance.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still find it hard to turn to my right.
The other one. The other.
Left is easy.
Maybe for you it works out if you stepped over.
Oh, if I switch my stance?
Yeah, maybe. For
Yeah.
me it's nothing because I have a bad balance and then stay on the same side. But if you have, you can make it quickly, like on the skateboard. Maybe just, some guys do it. You have guys who put the legs out when they make a turn.
Oh yeah?
In the water. It's even harder to do. Yeah, with my ski.
Are you gonna try, Carol?
Yes, I think so.
It's not cold, you get warm.
Yeah, the water's coming.
Yeah.
So much energy.
I'm nervous.
Nervous.
When I do this, it means you have to go a little bit further, faster.
Okay.
Because if I see you go too slow and it's harder to do, you have to go a little.
There she goes. So Carol's back from her attempt.
Yeah.
How did it go?
It was fun, but it was hard for me. But yeah, it was very fun, and I didn't feel the cold water. I just forgot about it.
Actually ends up being nice,
Yeah.
like refreshing.
Yeah, especially with the sun, it's very strong.
Yeah, it's very strong. And here's awesome, like the landscapes. I think everywhere in the Algarve is beautiful, right? So with like the drone shots, it just looks amazing. That bridge looks cool.
it's a very nice experience.
Yeah, these things are super cool. Not the water ski where you sit down. This is more of a challenge. Yeah, more fun. Alright, so we're heading out now. So if you want to get some like lessons on that kind of jet ski here in the Algarve, you can contact Willem on Instagram. So I'll put his Instagram in the description of the video because yeah, it's a lot of fun. And I think we're definitely going to be doing it again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it even in some other locations, so he'll probably do that next time. Now come to the center of Portimão pretty much. We come to a spot called the Ribeira, and you can probably see I finally got some sunglasses. A lot of you guys always ask me why I never have sunglasses, so I finally bought some, and I think they were €5, right?
Yeah, very cheap.
Yeah, €5, good price. Pretty cool. A lot of people walk here on weekends or even after the working hours. Loads of boats here as well.
Jet ski over there.
Oh yeah, jet ski. And we were actually just jet skiing just behind this bridge here, so pretty close. I think we could actually get there in about 2 minutes on the jet ski. Got another one here. Oh, there's quite a few of them, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it's Willem giving people lessons.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, they're going pretty fast. So 3 jet skis right there. And this spot is also popular because it's full of like cafes, and I think there's even a few restaurants and stuff. Do you fancy going to a cafe?
I fancy.
You fancy it?
Yeah, sure. Let's have some, I don't know, coffee and...
Coffee, maybe dessert or something? Yeah, let's do it. So we was on our way to a cafe and we spotted this pirate ship here. Check this out, huge pirate ship. I think that's for boat tours, right?
Yeah.
On the coast. I don't know where they go.
It's very big, so I think it's for big groups of people.
Yeah, it must be. Check out the size of this thing. That is the Portugal flag, in case some of you don't know. I want to go on a pirate ship tour.
Yeah, it would be cool, I think.
Yeah, it'd be fun. Something different. So we found our spot at the side of the river. It is a Sunday, so yeah, it is quite busy compared to the weekdays. You can just scan this on your phone and then you get the menu. I'm not sure if you can see this here, but we're getting the tosta com queijo, like a grilled sandwich. Yeah, and that's €2.90. So we both get one of those. So I got the coffee with milk, which in Portuguese is café com leite, and Carol got the natural orange juice. In the menu here it says sumo de laranja.
Yeah, orange juice in Portuguese from Portugal.
From Portugal, yeah.
Yeah.
In Brazil we say suco,
Suco.
not sumo. So I didn't know that. I thought it was suco here also. So I'm gonna close this video out now, and in the next video we're gonna be going on a little road trip. So we're gonna be heading to the east of the Algarve, never explored that part, and we're gonna be staying around there for an entire week. So yeah, many videos coming from over there, hopefully. So if you enjoyed the video, just drop a like to support us, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.